return to yourself to know yourself. Because when you return to yourself, it's the moment you realize that everything can change in a matter of a second. Your pain, your grief, and your loneliness will be no more. This is the time to wake up. It's all within you. The awakening state is right here and now. Remain fresh. Refresh yourself. Every time you feel tired, sit down, take a moment, and see that everything in life will pass. What happened yesterday is history. Let it be. What is now is something you can focus and maintain the balance of your body and mind in a way that you care and you nurture yourself so that you can be awake and alert in every moment of your life. Only you can really transform yourself. Only you can really see that life is worth it of living. Love yourself. Learning true love is all about recognizing yourself, understanding yourself, knowing your strength and your weaknesses, and learn to improve that for the better every moment of your life, every step that you make. This is your journey. This is your life. It's time to change your mindset. It's time to stay positive, to be positive, so that you can make and create a meaningful and a valuable life for yourself. I hope everybody has what it takes to build an inner strength, to be the hero of oneself, and to have the courage to move on and to live life with bravery. Use your own wisdom to solve your own sufferings. Use your own compassionate heart to heal and to nurture your own wounds. Yes, life is beautiful, and whatever you put out, that is what you get in it back. Don't expect anyone to give you anything or to do anything for yourself. Be oneness with yourself. Be true to yourself, to have true love, full of compassion, full of wisdom. I hope you have a great one, everybody. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.